Imagine this, you're on a flight, excited for your destination, when suddenly, a passenger does something that makes everyone around them cringe. You might think it's harmless, but some in-flight behaviors can be annoying, disrespectful, or even dangerous. Want to avoid being that passenger? Stick around because today, we're exposing the biggest flight etiquette mistakes you should never make. Don't ask flight attendants to store your luggage. Flight attendants are there for your safety and comfort, but guess what? Storing your luggage is not their job. They assist in emergencies, serve passengers, and ensure smooth operations. But lifting heavy bags into overhead bins isn't part of their duties. If your bag is too heavy for you, consider checking it in or packing lighter. Store your luggage properly. Speaking of luggage, always place it correctly in the overhead bin, wheels in first, to maximize space for others. And if you have a small bag, put it under the seat in front of you instead of hogging overhead space meant for larger carry-ons. Be considerate, other passengers have luggage too. Don't clap when the plane lands. This one is a hot debate. Some people think clapping is a way to thank the pilots, but to aviation professionals, it can come off as unnecessary, or even annoying. Pilots train extensively to land planes safely, it's literally their job. So instead of clapping, a simple thank you to the crew as you deplane is a classier way to show appreciation. Takeoff and landing are not the time to be careless. These are the most critical phases of any flight, and safety is the top priority. That means, stay seated with your seatbelt on, keep your tray table up and seat in the upright position. Listen to the crew's instructions, no unnecessary movement. Many accidents happen during takeoff and landing, so ignoring these rules isn't just risky, it's outright dangerous. Don't stand up before the seatbelt sign is off. You've probably seen it, a flight lands, and before the plane even reaches the gate, people jump up to grab their bags. Bad move. The aircraft might still be moving, and sudden stops can send you flying, literally. Wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off. Trust me, you won't get off the plane any faster by rushing. There you have it, some of the biggest mistakes you should never make on a flight. Did you know about these, or have you seen people breaking these rules?